With Ukraine's drone army becoming such a powerful force of its own, there doesn't seem to be anything Russia can really do to stop this massive swarm. Being hard enough to take down one drone, there will just come one after another to destroy the equipment, targeting anything and everything, from Russia's trenches, transportation vehicles, surface-to-air missile systems, or Russia's most well-armored tank. Striking each target until it's completely destroyed, being easier sometimes. Leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.